My car battery is dead.
Charging port, the jump start port, the pump, spec.
It's QC3 compatible, so make sure you get a fast charger for better results.
The battery is definitely dead. 8.4 volts. After connecting these positive and negative, I get a reading 12.3 volts, which means it is probably charging and it's making that clicking sound. Yeah, I just verified the voltage being at around 10.3 watts. Now I think I should be able to start the engine. Let's take a look. Ooh, it is on. Sweet. And according to my voltage meter here plugged in, it's 13, almost 14 volts, which means the gas engine is charging the battery. It is working as expected. Very, very good. This is really good. Now I think I can disconnect. And always wear gloves. Working fine. I paired it with the 20 watts foldable Anchor solar panel so I can charge it off the grid without worrying about a dead battery anymore. And of course, the best practice would be hide it behind the panel so it's to avoid overheating, right? Highly recommend this setup. Still got the 4 bar left after pumping all 4 tires. I really hate using something like this because it requires a 12-volt power supply. So a battery powered version is so much better. Flashlight. Spec. And by the way, make sure you use the included cable. This is a very, very high gauge USB Type A to Type C cable. Now let's test its USB Type A output by plugging in a USB meter in the middle, charging a massive power bank, which takes 10 to 12 watts. And let's take a look at the output. It is currently charging. This power bank is from Anchor. And according to the USB meter, we're getting the 10 watts, which is the rated input per port. It supports 2 micro USB input. I made another review about this power bank using a solar panel. So yeah, this is a pretty cool device with flashlights, USB charging at 10 watts, jump starter, pump. I'm gonna keep this one in my car.